I'm the youngest director ever. La-di-da.
That's what you think, son.
Oh my god, the director on the back rooms. Oh my god! But who are you really?
That's right.
You ask me how I've been, but how could I begin
Parrot,
to tell you
I am with you, son. I was helpless. I had to wait there, not knowing if I would ever see you again. Parrot, you are the only person I care about on this server. If you were to die, there would be no point for me to play here.